everyone, and thank you for joining me once again. So today I'm going to be doing an oil change on the 300ZX, but while we're doing that, so hang on, so yeah, oil filter, everything. While the oil filter is off, I'm going to be putting this sandwich plate on, okay? It's D1 spec, and the reason I'll be putting it on is to install sensors. So this is oil pressure sensor, and this one is the oil temperature sensor. So the way to do it, you have to obviously take the oil filter off, and then it comes with different sized bits in there, and then the one it'll replace, so it'll go over the existing one where the plate is. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you how to do it, but first, before you do that, you have to wrap the thread with PTFE tape. I'd be quite generous because you don't want oil spilling everywhere. On everything, basically wrap PTFE tape. Wherever there's thread, do it. You may as well, because the last thing you want is to do it all and then find out it's actually leaking oil. So be very generous with it. So yeah, let's do that first. I'm waiting for the car battery to charge up, as it's been a while. So while we're waiting for that, I'll wrap all these and show you. Alright, so this is what I meant. So we've got the so basically the plug, because there's three. Oh, there's a four on there. I think there's only three. Yeah, three. So one's a plug, and you've got the temperature and the pressure. Okay, so just wrap the PTFE tape round and then just put it in there. Okay, so this is what I meant about this. So with the plate on this part here, that'll go up and go into the car, and then the filter will go on the end there, so like so. So there's a rubber seal around there, so oil won't come out of there. As you can see how it works. Simple really, but effective. Alright, so we're going to put all these in and then change the oil and then fit it on. I'll show you me doing that. Alright, so I'm just at the point where the oil filter is off and the oil sump plug is also off. So this nut part here, it's a 27, so I'm going to be using that to tighten it. Also, this temperature is a 12, I do believe. Yep, a 12. This is a 19, which I don't actually have a 19, but we'll sort it out. So yeah, there we are. It's off. So before I put the new one on, I'm going to put this on, put all the bits in, and then put the new filter on top. Alright, so I thought before I put it in I may as well wire everything up. So they're not hidden yet obviously, but they go through where the gear stick gator is. So they come through into the body and the cockpit of the car. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to actually install this, and then yeah, that should be it really. Put the oil filter back on, fill it up with oil, put the sump plug in first, fill it up with oil, and then that'll be it. Alright, so as you can see, it's up there now, it's all tightened up. Now I'm going to put the oil filter on, and then push some oil through it, and then seal it all back up and put loads of oil in, then tidy up these wires. So once you put everything in, all the oil and everything, you need to start the car and make sure that there's no leaks. And there's no leaks on here. Just remember to finger tie the oil filter, don't use the wrench. Alright, so hang on. They're all under there. Quite happy at the moment running alongside that. They're not going to come down. That is the gearbox, I do believe. So I need to make sure they are a bit more secure than that. But for now, it's alright. So that's it for today, guys. of those. Hope you enjoyed it.